Hello everyone, my name is Toothpaste from Chonghua High School, Seremban. Today I will be showing you all an interesting experiment called elephant toothpaste experiment. For the materials, we will need a bottle, food coloring, dish soap, yeast, and hydrogen peroxide. So step 1, add dish soap to the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, add dish soap and hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. Okay. Step 2, add coloring into the bottle. And add dry yeast and hot water into a separate cup and mix the dry yeast. Let the yeast sit for a while before pouring it into the bottle. Step 3, pour the dry yeast into the bottle. And there you have it. Elephant toothpaste experiment. This experiment is based on the theory of chemical reactions of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into oxygen and water. A small amount of hydrogen peroxide generates a large amount of oxygen. The oxygen quickly pushes out from the container. The soapy water traps the oxygen, creating bubbles and turns into foam. Why do we add yeast then? Well, yeast is a catalyst in this experiment. It speeds up the whole process and gives a faster reaction. I hope you all enjoy this experiment that I have found in this website. Bye.